I hope you enjoy watching this video about kaak, which is a traditional Lebanese cookie, typically made around Eid and Easter time, and it is the perfect pairing to any cup of coffee or tea. It is spiced with mahlab, which is a fragrant spice derived from the pits of cherry seeds. If you don't have it, you can replace it with nutmeg. What we need for this recipe is 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of fine semolina, 1 teaspoon of mahlab or nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 cups of sugar, and 200 grams of room temperature butter. Mix by hand well together. Add 2 cups of warm milk, mix well, and if you need, you can add a little bit of flour. Cover and leave to rest for around 6 hours. Then cut into pieces the sizes that you prefer. Assemble into rings. Cover some with sesame seeds. Keep the cookies to rest around 1 hour before baking them on a preheated oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes or when browned, and enjoy this traditional recipe of kaak, which is very delicious. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time with a new recipe.